Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. I'm so sorry that I have not been able to post regular videos on YouTube because the schedule has been very tight lately. It was very hectic. I'm running almost 7, sometimes 8 sessions a day, along with a lot of paperwork that has to be done. As you all know that I have started a company, Happy Yogi with the intention of sharing the happiness of yoga with people and promoting quality yoga teaching. With that view, we have also started budget friendly yoga classes from 1st September. So when I say budget friendly, again budget is a very subjective term. These classes may still be not budget friendly for many, but considering the interest of the teachers, yoga teachers, their background, their knowledge, this is the best we could offer. So we are offering Monday to Friday, 5 days a week yoga sessions at 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. and 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. IST. So there are 2 batches available. Both the teachers are excellent. They both have studied from Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga, which is among the oldest yoga institutes in India. I have also studied yoga there. I have gained my yoga basics. I've learned my yoga basics from there. So I rely a lot on their students, and these students have been tested. They have taken my cover-up classes in the past, and I have taken the feedback from my students, and that's how they had been selected for running these batches, because I don't compromise with the quality when it comes to yoga. I really want to promote good yoga practice, and these 2 are good yoga practitioners. So the fee for these batches is 1,000 rupees per month for people who are residing in India and 2,000 rupees for people from abroad. Trust me, this is the best you can get at this price. So yeah, if you are interested, you can WhatsApp me on my number 9621298965. The classes have already begun from 1st September. Make the maximum use of it. I'm giving you the flexibility also that if you miss the session in the morning, you can also join the session in the evening. So there is a flexibility also to cover up your classes if you miss any. So there is a flexibility, there is a good teacher, and classes have just begun. You can learn from the very basics. So yeah, if you are interested, do message me and start your classes ASAP. If you have any questions regarding the sessions, do mention it in the comments. So yeah, I just wanted to share about these budget friendly classes so that if it suits you, you can contact me and make use of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is helpful. If not you, if anyone in your contact needs such classes, then do share it with them. Thank you. Namaste. Take care and keep practicing.